Spiritual vegan air fryer recipe. Golden light vegetables. Ingredients: 2 cups sweet potatoes, cubed. 1 cup carrots, sliced. 1 zucchini half. 1 red onion wedges. 2 tbsp olive or coconut oil. 1 tsp smoked paprika. 1 tsp turmeric symbol of inner light. 1 tsp garlic powder. Sea salt. Fresh rosemary or thyme. Optional lemon juice. Air fryer method. 1. Preheat air fryer to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Toss vegetables with oil, paprika, turmeric, garlic, salt, and herbs. 3. Air fry 14 to 18 minutes, shaking halfway. 4. Add lemon juice before serving. Spiritual intention. While preparing the vegetables, set the intention: as this food transforms by heat, so may I transform by light. Eat slowly, gratefully, and let each bite bring grounding and renewal.